Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hi. Hi, Pooja. How are you?
I am awesome. What's about you, ma'am?
Thank you for asking. I'm doing great. Yeah. So, hi. So, tell me something about yourself, Pooja, before we go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah. I am Pooja Kumari. Currently, I am doing a job as a backend executive in a IT sector, and I want to be a public speaker in the upcoming future. That's all. And I like to sing, dance whenever I have a free time.
Great. You love dancing.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I love dancing, although I don't know to dance. Okay.
Same to me actually. I also don't know, but I love to dance.
Okay, great. So Pooja, we have a session, like we have got some session notes. Were you able to go
Yeah,
through it?
yeah.
And
Always.
it it seems to be your fifth session, if I'm true.
Yes, yes.
All right. So the topic for today is I'm quickly taking you through the topic because we don't have much time.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So the topic is unexpected challenges. Yes.
Yes.
So yes, Pooja. Let me take you through the challenge. Yeah. Last month, early in the morning, you hear a doorbell ring. Yeah. It is the police. You are arrested without explanation. You will not be given
Yeah.
any arrest for your reason throughout the questioning. You're not even told the charges. You're not even told about the charges. So, yeah,
Hmm.
this is the situation. Now, based on this situation, we are going to answer a couple of questions. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. 1 second, dear. 1 second. What will be your first reaction, Pooja?
Okay. So my first reaction when I heard a doorbell, then I would see the that police came, and I was little confused and surprised that why police came here. Okay, and I opened the door, and then the police arrested me, and I was really surprised and like very nervous. Then I will be calm. I will in the calm situation. I am stayed in the calm situation and ask politely to the police that why the police arrested me. Politely I will ask a clarification because I couldn't do anything wrong. So why the police arrested me? So that would I will tell.
Okay, so that would be the situation. That would be your
Because
state of mind.
if I in very nervousness and I will say any wrong words to the police, then another thing will come and miss if I, because I know I am it's not my fault, anything I have couldn't done wrong. So if I tell anything wrong to police, then another charges in case she police can arrest me again. So that's why I have to put a calm situation in that situation.
Okay. All right. So, Pooja, I would love to correct you simultaneously whenever you speak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first thing is that I couldn't done wrong. I did not do anything wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
I
did
don't
not.
think I have done anything wrong. So these are the ways that you can say that you can express whether you did it or not. If you have done something wrong, yeah, you can say yes, I did something wrong.
Hmm.
That is the reason why police is here.
Yeah.
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 Another one is when you do say something more, there
Hmm.
are chances of police giving you additional charges, putting you through additional
Yes.
charges. Yeah, it is not, you are already arrested, they can't arrest you again. Yeah, so you can say that they would add additional charges against you, isn't it? All
Yeah.
right, Pooja. Next question to you. Who would you call up for help?
Firstly, I will call a lawyer for the legal documentation and procedure. And secondly, I will call to my family and friends whom I love, means my loved ones. because and first lawyer will came and know all the procedure, because the lawyer knows well. So he will go through the documentation procedure, and I will stay in calm position, and I will follow the procedure and documentation process.
Okay, great, great. Wonderful answer. Now, what would you do? Imagine that you are just imagining these things in your head, right? You're not
Yeah.
getting arrested here, you're not arrested, police is not there in front of your house. So it is all imaginary. So when you talk about such kind of imaginary situations, you can start with would. You can connect it with would.
Okay.
I
Okay.
would call a lawyer. After
Okay.
that, you would call, you told you would call to my family. So there is a correction there. It is not to my family. I would call my family. You can avoid to. Yeah. Yes. So I would call my lawyer. Secondly, I would contact my family. And then you said lawyer will came. No, lawyer would come. Sorry for that. Lawyer would
Lawyer.
come.
Okay.
Yes, it is not will came. That is also a correction. There is also a
Yeah.
correction there. It's not lawyer will come. If you're telling about future, you can say lawyer will come and help me out. But this is an imaginary situation. So you say lawyer would come and help you out. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, wonderful statements. Next one. What will you say to your boss? How will you explain absence at work? So you're working, you have to say, you have to give an explanation to your boss. But what will you say to your boss?
To my boss. Okay. For this situation, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I would tell my boss that I could not do
I
any
did not.
mistakes.
I did
I did
not do.
not. I did not do any mistakes and anything wrong of my side. I am following the procedure. Lawyer would hear, and he is following. He would following the procedure, and I am also with him. I would also with him, and I am I will clear the I would tell the boss for the clarification that it will what I said, it will finish early. So don't worry, it will not go wrong for your reputation and all things. I am I am I am I am in the I am giving the response. I am taking this responsibility. So don't worry. This will clear. Uh,
Correct. No
that's
problem. No problem. It's just that you have the thought in your mind, you are not able to speak with right
yes.
words. Yeah,
Yeah,
using the
yeah.
right word. And yeah, I'll help you. So yeah, you said that you would narrate the incident
Yes.
to your boss, yeah,
Hmm.
and you would say that there is nothing wrong from my side. It's not of my side, it is from my side. Yeah,
Okay.
I haven't committed a crime. I did not do anything. I did not make any mistakes. Yeah, so there is nothing wrong in my side, or I haven't done anything from my side. Yeah, then
Hmm.
you also told that I would also with with him. You can say
Yeah.
that, yeah, my advocate is here, my lawyer is
Hmm.
here, I am sitting with him
Hmm.
right now. You're telling him that these things are happening at present. You're telling like that to your boss, so you have to say it in continuous tense. I'm sitting with my advocate here, he is discussing these things with me, the procedures with me. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not finished, it's complete.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's
finish. When
complete.
you do any task, you can say, yeah, I'll finish my work. That is
Okay.
okay. This would get completed soon. As soon as this gets completed, I would call you up. I would contact you.
Contact.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Next one is, you told me about reputation. You can say like this. Yeah, assure you. I assure you. That is, I give you surety.
Yeah.
surety, or I assure you that this is not going to affect, or this will not affect the reputation of our company,
Of our company. Yeah.
of our company. Yeah, this is not
Yeah.
going to affect the reputation of my company or our company. And if anything happens, I
Hmm.
will take the responsibility.
Yes. Right.
Yes, these were the
Yes.
thoughts in your mind. Yeah,
Yeah.
I will
Yes.
take the responsibility of the same. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Okay. So this is a recorded session. You can go through it. Yes.
Hmm.
Are you
Hmm.
going through it? Going through
Yes,
the
ma'am. Yeah.
okay. You can review it. Yeah, and revise it. Make a note of all the mistakes so that you won't repeat it.
Okay.
Clear.
Sure. Sure.
Next one. Next one. Would you try to bribe police to be released? Why or why not?
Okay. I will not try to bribe, first of all, because I did not do any mistake. So I could not give the any bribe to him. So why not? Yeah, that's all actually. Because
Okay.
it's a because if I will give the bribe, then it happens to me like yeah, I means police will also say that yeah, you have done some mistakes, so you are giving for uh, for safety, for saving yourself, like
Exactly. Wonderful.
yeah,
Wonderful.
yeah,
So you can say, I did not make any mistake.
yeah.
I did not do anything wrong.
Hmm.
I did not make any mistake. Mama, make any mistake.
Okay.
It's make mistakes. Then, if I give, if I bribe, or if I
Hmm.
give the money,
Hmm.
I would, or they would think that there is something wrong with
Yes.
me,
Yeah.
or
Right.
I have done something wrong.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is
Yes.
how you use. If I give, they would think. If I
Hmm.
give, they would think. If they come, I will help. See, that's how you use.
Okay.
Are you getting it? Simple present tense. One second. If I come, they would give. If if I give money,
I come they would give.
they would take me wrong. That is
Hmm.
also correct. Yeah, clear?
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's go ahead then. One second. The next question is, do you think corruption good sometimes? Have you ever thought like that? Have you ever thought corruption is good?
Corruption is, I think that it's not good. Sometimes it's good, but I think most probably it's not good. Because for the corruption many times it's happened every many like politician and big richest man use this corruption in a wrong way. Okay, so it's not a good thing, and from this there is all crimes happen to the what I say, who is a poor people actually, poor people, and not in uh, means not uh, couldn't get it actually.
Can you say that again? I'm going to help you out. Can you say that again?
Means means corruption if the many people giving using this wrong way, and they are threatening to the poor people, and they who is not in help
Financially?
to financially, yeah, financially free, means they are using in a wrong way, so that's where.
Okay, so people are trying to use them.
Yeah. Yes,
Financially
yes.
sound people, or those people
Hmm.
who have the finance, they are trying to use them.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes. All right. So there is no much mistakes. When you rephrased it again, so there is no much mistakes. I have helped you. Now, another question is, yeah, so police have caught the wrong person. They apologize to you and they release you. Yeah, the police realized it's their mistake and they apologized and they released you. Yeah, because of your answers, because of all these things. Yeah, how will you react to this bizarre situation? So
First
now
of
you're not a
all,
culprit. You have been released.
yeah. First of all, I am feeling very relaxed and relief. I released that in that situation, and secondly, I will go to my friends or my family to support me because in that situation, I mean my mind was very much depressed. In that situation, very much depressed, and that kind of things happen. So I'm going to in a calm situation, and yeah, if I need it, then I will do a legal procedure to the police because he police had done wrong things. So in future they don't wrong arrest to anyone. So I
They
will
don't
go
arrest
the
wrong person, right?
yeah, they don't arrest wrong person, and I will go to the legal procedure for the wrong
Doings of the
arresting.
police.
Doing yeah, right.
Great, great, great. Okay. So yeah, so I'm quickly taking you through the vocab session. That was really good. Yeah. So the first one is arson. Arson means to set fire to a building. Yeah. He arsoned the building. Yes. He was
Yes,
mentally out. He was not a mentally stable person. So he set fire. Instead of saying set fire, you can say he arsoned the building. Yeah.
okay,
Another one is assault, to attack someone. He assaulted a man who came out from the bank.
okay,
Yeah. Then drunk driving is a punishable offense. You know what do you mean by drinking and driving? Yeah, it's
yes,
not a good
yes,
thing to do.
yeah, right,
Assassination. Yeah. Next one
yes,
is
yes,
assassination. Assassination means to kill a famous or a celebrity, famous person or
yes,
a celebrity.
yes,
Yeah. Another one is abduction. Are you familiar to this word?
yeah, kidnapping,
Kidnapping
abduction,
and asking for ransom,
yeah,
asking for money. Another word is bigamy. Bigamy means to marry someone when you're already married to another person. We call them bigamy. So yeah,
yes,
Pooja, it's
yeah,
almost time. It was wonderful having you. Please go through the vocabulary. If you have any questions, just write it down. Yeah.
okay,
And have a wonderful day, Pooja.